Hey guys, so I'm here back at the garage. Want to do a quick little video because I got some good stuff in, and I don't know. I was kind of on the fence about whether I wanted to do this video now or in a bit, but we'll go ahead and do it. If you'll give me a second. What do we have here? The famous wheel manufacturer. And some of you might cringe because you'll say they're played out, but I really don't give a crap because, to be perfectly honest, they're perfect. So, without further ado, let me introduce you to a full set of 17 by 9 Enkei RPF1 wheels with the SBC coating on them, and this looks absolutely phenomenal. I cannot express how freaking excited I am to have these freaking wheels, man. Oh my god, that's gonna look so perfect on this. Yes. So here's my set of Michelin Pilot Sport All-Season 4s. If I'm not mistaken, this is the line of tires that comes on the new C8 Corvette, because I'm pretty sure it comes with all seasons. These are 245/40 17s. They'll fit on this perfectly. And I'll be using the vehicle speed sensor and ring from this differential, which is off of an F23 in like a 98 Acura CL or Accord, because the tire diameter is the same, so they will match, will be perfect. These have about a 25-inch diameter, whereas a CRV is about a little over 26. So that'll be excellent. That'll help with reciprocating mass, be better for performance. But like, oh my god. Oh, okay. Right on there. Oh, yes. I'm so freaking hyped. So, to make sure that those amazing wheels continue to look as amazing as they do, where did I put that? Did I hide that somewhere? Nah, here we go. This is some Avalon King ceramic coating, and I will be spraying those wheels down with this so that they will be far easier to clean and less will stick to them. So there's your answer for that. So anyway, quick update. I wanted to share this because I'm really rounding the bend here to get this freaking bucket of bolts back on the road. Believe it or not, finishing putting this engine back together won't take very much time at all. I have those to put I gotta spray those and get the tires mounted and balanced. I gotta finish doing the last little bit to the front suspension, put that on there. I have a ever so slightly bigger sway bar for the front. And I got a little bit more wiring to do, but not much. And then realistically, I have a couple of other pieces that I got to finish. I'm in the finishing touches of finishing up this wiring here. I'll have a video on this part of the interior and stuff like that. I got a video coming about what I did to the front suspension, because believe it or not, most of this is not from a CRV. In fact, the only things on here that are intended actually for a CRV are this lower control arm, this strut fork, and like the upper strut mount, and that's kind of it. The rest of it is either made to fit or whatever. Anyway, quick update. I am super excited. I will have this car back on the road before you guys will have the videos of me putting it back together to get on the road, because I have literal tens of hours of footage to go through and to boil down into, 10, 15-minute videos tops. I'm going to try to make it some nice edits, try to walk it through there, and I'll be rolling those out as I go. Once I can actually get this back on the road and I will be driving it, I will have more time to focus on putting the footage together, which is where it will come through. But yeah, again, quick update. I'm really getting really excited for this, if you can't tell. And yeah, so if you want to check out what's to come and some of the extra crap that I've done, hit like, hit subscribe. Remember, guys, go stick or go home. Catch you next time.